There are legends
Years ago, there was a contest
that are so legendary
between Slira and Floor Clipper.
that you've never heard of them.
The cheese race.
Cheese race. Imagine something I've never heard of. It could be so scary.
Good morning, Floor Clipper! And Slira.
You lot from Floor Clipper are nothing but wimps. Slira rules.
Oh, Floor Clipper.
I hereby challenge you to a new cheese race.
After 68 years, we'll finally find out who's best.
Slira deploys Emmanuel Desperados.
Oh dear.
The only person on Earth ever registered on the Richter scale.
If you win, you'll get my dairy and Slira.
Ready?
If I win, I'll get Clark Industries, as you call it.
Steady.
You can't sign that piece of paper, Louis. It's our home.
Go! Louis! That were a nasty start.
Tell me, what use is Alfie's house to you? I raise the house and the workshop to the ground. Without Alfie's inventions, Floor Clipper doesn't have a ghost of a chance. Then Slira will rule.
This is the best plan ever!
Breathtaking.
We need to find a chink in their armor.
Take it easy. We could walk backwards from here and we'd still win. Ah!
Hurry up, Luca! We have to save our house and home.
What, both of them?
Ready?
I'm ready as never before.
And I've never been less ready.
We'll be on top of that podium.
On the top of it? Well, I hope it's not as high as that.
Louis and Luca, the big cheese race.
In the meantime, an old classic. Intermission fish.